What a remarkable recovery there. The time is now 5:48. Let's get a quick check on weather with Trey. Trey, you're tracking a lot of changes coming our way, but some warmer conditions too later this week.
That is on the cards here for later this week. We'll just have to get through the next couple of days. I want to show you this picture that Austin Hamilton, one of our weather watchers, sent us from Lucas. These are towering cumulus clouds from yesterday's scattered showers and even a few rumbles of thunder across the state. Those showers produced around a couple hundredths of an inch of rain here in the Des Moines metro area. So far for the month of April, today is the last day of April. We've seen a little over 2.5 inches, and believe it or not, we are actually running below normal here for the month of April. It was a relatively dry month across much of the state here, with some parts of the state, especially southeastern Iowa, only seeing 20 to 40% of normal rainfall. Some locally heavier swaths from Des Moines down toward Creston and southwestern parts of the state, but we could really use some more, especially as we move into our normally wettest month of the year. 39 will be the temperature at 7 a.m. No rainfall expected today, at least here locally, just mostly cloudy skies, and those winds will be an issue. Temperatures work their way back up into the low to mid 50s this afternoon. Where we do have that chance for showers today will primarily be up in our northeastern counties, closer to that area of low pressure that we've been watching. But for the rest of us, looking at a mostly dry and windy day. Some of those winds could be gusting really strong later on into this afternoon. It's all in association with this area of low pressure up in the Great Lakes. This is an occluded storm system, which basically means it's stalling out. That's going to provide us several days of strong northwesterly winds and cool temperatures. Today we only make it up to 54 with those clouds and maybe a few showers up in our far northeastern counties. Overnight we'll start to see that cloud deck erode from west to east, and that will allow us to warm up to 59 tomorrow, but it will still be very windy. Those wind gusts today will likely reach anywhere from 45 to 50 miles per hour. And then even into tomorrow, with that low pressure fairly close by, we still have another day of very strong winds anticipated. Now, as we move into Tuesday, an area of high pressure will begin to approach our region from the northwest, and that will allow our temperatures to begin to warm up here. We'll wake it up to 63, and the most important thing is that our winds will actually begin to settle down as we get into the day on Tuesday. Here's your 8-day forecast. We do have those winds to contend with over the next several days. 54 today, 59 on Monday, 63 Tuesday. The warming trend does start to build in to Wednesday into Thursday. We'll make it back into the low 70s with a few showers possible Thursday into Friday as a weak front kind of meanders around the region. Not anticipating widespread rain with that right now. And then even behind that front, behind that system, next weekend looking pretty decent right now with temperatures back in the low 70s.
Love to see